Got this little dog chair and it attaches right to around your passenger seat, and then also wraps around the back. But little Remy here seems to like it. It's the first time using it. I also just kind of wrapped his leash loosely around the headrest so that way he doesn't jump out, because there's not any attachment for his leash, which is interesting. So I kind of just loosely swung it around up there. But this thing's quality. It's real soft and easy to put together. It just unfolds. It's got a metal frame in there. It's very rigid. Remy seems to like it. Nice and comfy in there. You can take it off and wash it if you need to. I'll put a link in the description below. You can check it out. Alright, bye bye.